I think this is our fourth time or three time we are meeting to each other. It's been so long. We didn't connect to each other, and in this moment we had met to each other. So thank you so much for being here, Masum. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me here. So, how are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays I'm doing great by the grace of Almighty God, and I'm going with my good day because it's an amazing scenario. You can see I'm just sticking around my faddy ground and with my goats in the grass field. I'm grazing the goats today.
So, in the afternoon, you are doing that.
Yes, yes. Throughout the day, we will feed the grasses to our goats.
Okay. And apart from
Yes.
that, what you do? I never asked you. We connected many times, but I never asked you about your profession. So,
Okay. Many questions you can ask me. Okay. I will. I'm glad and humbled to give you respect questions answer every day. Okay. Now I'm just here and doing the hard work. As you can consider that I'm just grazing the goats inside the forest and even in the grass field every day because this is my passion and my profession is learning English language, which I'm just doing on it though, like you, and working on it. And along with this passion and profession, I have divided and put them individually forever because my passion is farming and my profession is looking forward to be an innovative English teacher, though I'm just working on it with the peak with the call learners around the globe.
okay.
Yes,
How's your English learning going on?
my English learning is going good.
Okay. So,
My
and
English learning is going good.
what about your shop? Because when we connected last time, you said to me like you have a vegetable shop. So, how it is?
Actually, sometimes even we are cultivating the vegetables along with the paddy crops. Okay, because we had vegetables ground, and that vegetables ground we cultivate brinjal, potato, and tomato, chili, and lettuce finger and all. We will sell those vegetables in the market and even at home. We don't have any of those specifically shop vegetable shop and grocery shop, but we have the certain moment to sell them. When some people need the vegetable, they will come to our house and take those vegetables, providing giving some money. They will take 1 or 2 kgs, like this we will do it.
Everyone do farming in your home, or you are only the one who do farming?
No, no. I will flow at our land, and my father and my mom, my elder sister, will plant the fedi on the fedi ground. Yes, that
You work in
we,
harmony.
we all do. We all do farming. We all do farming. There is no one else who is doing a private and government job. There is no one else. We are jobless persons. Yes, we are depending on ourselves by sharing our emotional and sharing our hardships, financial crowns, and even the problems to each other. We are sharing and facing the same problems at our home and surviving to each other.
So why
Yes.
you are not finding any job, or why you are not thinking to start any business? Is there any specific reason?
Actually, I started my business that is spoken English. I have opened my new institution. There are only two students who are graduate students. They are coming to me and having the education in a proper way that I'm just guiding them by applying so many methods and giving them different clues that I actually had in my first time in my initial stage. Whatever clues and ideas, tricks applied in my conversation in my learning English, I'm just spreading them and just doing it with them together. That's all about. I'm just doing it.
Okay, so you are doing. So what
Yes,
you are going to do?
yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay.
Like,
And another questions you have that you want to actually ask me?
yeah, asking like what you are going to do in your future. What's your future plan?
My future plan is to become great innovative English teacher because there is no one else who can teach. speak and make other people and let the other people lead towards the good direction, what is actual education and what is the actually goal and what is the actually direction and what is the actually purpose of life that I want to
Okay.
make the people understand and realize by teaching them the spoken English language. Not even the spoken English language, but also I want to teach them the communication skill.
Okay, that's what I really appreciate your thoughts and your plan for future. So I'm
Yes.
wondering that how you are managing to handle your phone because in one hand you are holding your umbrella and how you are holding mobile phone.
Actually, I have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. I have nine weapons in my body. I have nine weapons in my body that I have two eyes, two ears, four, and one mouth, two hands, and two legs. I have nine weapons. Not the nine weapons, 10 weapons along with the notes. Okay, 10 weapons I have, and I'm just walking by the help of 10 weapons. So why am I to be afraid of doing something and face the problems and tackle all the problems? So I have to work on it by having all the weapons. So I think even though that hands, even though my hands don't work, then I will work by the help of my
You hello?
yes, got it.
Yes, your video is disturbed. Yes, I got
My video.
it. Yeah,
Okay.
your video is disturbed.
Yes.
Maybe now you are out of network.
Yes. 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 I think the network is not proper at our area. It's too difficult to connect with people, and I'm just facing lots of problems. Then also, I'm just having the conversation with people around the globe because I have to do it because I need it the most in my current life. It's very important than other.
Yeah,
Yes.
I can understand that, but sir, your video is getting stuck. Your video quality is not okay. It is completely blurred.
Yes.
So can you go at the same place where you started to speak with me?
Actually, if I go there, then my goats are going away from me. Yes, yes. Okay.
Distance with you.
Yes. Now, how about the network problem?
Yeah, now it's okay. It's better than before.
Okay, okay. Very good. And do you have any other questions? Because we are meeting again and again to each other and we are not having the great moment. And if you ask me more and more questions, then I can explore more whatever answers I have. I will always speak from my heart, not from any another source, because that is my actually humanity to find out the solution from my heart, not from any other source. And I want to extrovert to every one of my friends, near and dear ones, and colleagues. Yes,
So, what message would you like to give to our audience who are going to watch this video? What message would you like to give them?
I want to give them fun, even though they are good at English, even though they are very fluent and have great experience on this language. Then also they have to just stick around it because day by day we can connect with people, different people around the globe, and have the experience. Because the more we meet to the stranger, the more experience we will get, and the more accuracy of speaking style, the way of speaking, and the way of elaborating, and the way of involving some vocabs difficulties and even normal vocabs we can involve in our conversation and even in narration. So I think they must stick around it. They don't have to quit from this platform. It's a huge platform which is very helpful and uh, can let them to find out the solution to tackle all the problems that they are actually having and facing it in their daily basis life. So when we live to other people who all are actually helpful to us, that's when we fall down. So we don't have to quit other and we don't have to look down upon other people. We don't have to see them, they always under me, I'm not under them, I'm always top position. And Let them towards the bad direction, I will go in the right direction. We don't have to let them to do like this. We always have to lead them to focus in their own vision like we are focusing on it. Even they are human beings like us. This universe is not like this. When we focus on ourselves, not on others problems, we always focus on ourselves and even the others problems, because when we can solve our problems, then we can solve the other people's problem.
Right.
That skill actually we must have. So that's why we are just here to tackle all the problems, not even our problems but also the other problems. Even though you are facing the problem, then I'm just here to tackle the problems by standing with you, not by standing only for my problems. Okay, this is how the audience must do, like help to each other, grow together, and learn together. That's what work that's what works for them and stick around them, and they can go for it and have it, and in the future and for the future generation, they will create something and bring the differences now and the first season.
I
For the
really
future generation,
appreciate.
we must do it and face it, and have the conversation with somebody else by making the problems and find out the solution. When we create problems, we must have the solution. That's when we must create the problems. If we don't have the solution, if we don't have the ways, then don't make the problems. Am I right?
Yeah. Yes, sir, you are right. I really appreciate your insights and thank you so much for explanation. I hope it's going to help our audience a lot if they are
Yes.
starting to, tackle the problems in their life. So we
Yes.
already completed 13 minutes, so I think we should wrap up this conversation here.
Absolutely. Why not? Okay, it
Okay.
was great moment, Masum. Okay, in a day we will have some great plan to each other, and spread that plan clues around the globe. That will be very beneficial and productive. And it's not be clueless. It's always must benefit to the viewers and subscribers what they are actually looking for. That's what we must focus on it. Then we can upload the video in YouTube, and we can earn lots of people, millions of people's heart, and we can reach more and more people. Okay.
I totally agree with you. Yes, I
Yes,
totally
thank you
agree
so
with
much for having me. Thank you, take care.
you. Take care too.